Good morning, everyone. It's now 7 a.m. We mixed up this first build last night at 6 p.m. So it's been 13 hours. And this has the 85 grams of whole wheat flour, which was freshly ground, 33 grams of raw honey, 55 grams of water. So we're going to put it in this proofer here at 76 degrees Fahrenheit and see if it has any fermentation activity. And it looks like it does. Yeah, I'm seeing some little bubbles in here. I don't know if you can see it from the camera there, but yeah, it's got some fermentation activity. I can hear the little bubbles sort of crackle when I smush my fingers in there. I don't know if you can hear that, but anyway, so I will go ahead and do the second build. I'll be adding more water and flour to this first build, and we'll see if we can continue to have it rise on its own and basically use the honey for leavening. It feels really neat. Okay, well, I'll quit playing with the dough and I'll make the second build.